Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cooking with Fed. I am excited because today I'm going to show you guys how I make my ginger turmeric shots. I take these when I'm not feeling super great, if I feel a cold coming on, or lately I've been having a ton of allergies and I've been feeling really inflamed. Turmeric is an awesome antioxidant. It's also an anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer. It has all these great benefits. And then ginger is great for inflammation, digestion, weight loss, all that great stuff. I'm gonna make these shots to take this week, and I wanted to share the recipe with you in case you're struggling with any similar issues or just wondering how to make turmeric shots. Let's get started. Welcome to the turmeric shot voiceover portion of this video. For this recipe, you'll need half a cup of fresh turmeric, half a cup of fresh ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 6 ounces of lemon juice, and 6 ounces of orange juice. So for these turmeric shots, you're going to need fresh turmeric root and fresh ginger. Don't worry about peeling it since we'll be blending it and straining it later. First, you're going to chop up your turmeric and ginger. You'll need half a cup of each. For the orange and lemon juice, you'll need 6 ounces of each, which is about 1 large orange and 2 large lemons. I like to juice these first with my citrus juicer and then strain out the pulp. I just feel like it makes things more efficient in the end because you have less material to strain out. Next, round up your black pepper and cayenne pepper. The black pepper is a must. It helps with the absorption of the turmeric. The cayenne, I just love adding because it delivers a really nice spicy punch. Once you have all of your ingredients prepared, combine them all in a blender and blend for 30 seconds. Next, you'll strain your mixture. This is where we'll get out all of the stuff we don't want in our turmeric shots. Pulp, peels, and this is the part why you don't need to peel your turmeric or ginger. Yay! And then pour into your storage vessel. I just pour these into small mason jars. I like my shots on the bigger side. These ones here are about 3 ounces, but if you prefer a smaller shot, you can do 2-ounce shots instead. Serve and enjoy. Bottoms up, baby. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make turmeric shots. If you'd like to see more videos like this or have any special requests, let me know. Like this video, show me some love, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. It's an I gotta sneeze so bad. Allergy season with the absorption. Hold please.
Absorption.
Absorption. Yeah, that's just a weird word.